All right, installation of the Aegis VacStation. Just to walk you through the unit a little bit. So we have our plug here that plugs in. We have our power on off switch here. If you rotate it this way, we have two buttons that control power. The other thing that controls power is your remote control. So your remote control is here. You can control it with on off and then power here, and it's just gonna plug in. Once the remote control is plugged in, this overpowers. So you're gonna control everything from the remote control from that point on. So here's your arm. So you're just gonna slide it right over the top here. And then we're gonna install, when you install for a doctor, please install the smaller piece because that's what we're gonna use to do all the testing. So you can see this nut screws off here and then it just screws right on. Okay. Now we're actually gonna tighten up the clamp. So what we're gonna do is, you can see that as you twist them to the left, you're gonna create some space in here with the plastic. And then what you have to do is you actually have to tighten up your metal nut. So you might have to use little pliers, or you might be able to just use your hands depending on the nut. But you're actually gonna tighten that up as much as possible. So if you'll give it 4 to 6 turns to the left, and then tighten up your clamp, now you're gonna see that when you clamp this on there, you can actually hear it clamp down on the lid, and we're gonna do that to each clamp. So there's the 4 clamps that you need to do that with. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is one of your extra cotton filters that comes with your VacStation. You're gonna have 5 of those. One of the best ways to test suction is to go ahead and we're gonna actually turn it on, and we're gonna put this up, and if it holds it in place, then the suction is plenty powerful for what this unit's built for. So we're just gonna go ahead and flip it on, and then we're gonna place your cotton filter right here. Take your hands off of it. If it's holding it in place just fine, then the unit's sucking properly. So you do want to pull off the lid and just be able to check your sills. So you have this black rubber piece right here that goes around the cardboard of the filters. So you just want to make sure that it is on there and it is pretty flush through the whole thing. And then if that's the case, then when you put the lid on and clamp it down hard, you will get a really good seal, which definitely affects the suction. And then you can see the out, these are the out vents for the actual airflow. So it sucks everything down through the bottom of the unit, and then we'll kick it back out through these vents.